So you want to know what happens if your ex violates a custody order by taking the kids. Okay, so that's a very good question. The answer is first of all, the court is likely to regard that as being tantamount to parental kidnapping. Now, parental kidnapping, just like it sounds like any other kidnapping, is potentially a crime. You should call the police. That's number one. If there's a court order, for example, that this action violates, the police are going to want to know that. It's going to be very important. And if you can say, look, I'm calling you, the police, because the order says that I have custody of the kids. He has taken them. She has absconded with them, whatever the case may be. And they may very likely put out an APB, or they may even do the Amber Alerts. When you hear on your cell phone, by the way, those weird noises as Amber Alert, it's not necessarily that some stranger has hustled a little kid and threw him into the back of a van. That's probably not what it is. It's probably one of these violations of parenting time. So that's what that is when you get those Amber Alerts. So the point is, it could very well be a parental kidnapping. Your lawyer should be made aware of this. You want to tell your lawyer this so that they can file an appropriate emergency motion ordering that the child be returned, ordering that the authorities intervene in order to effectuate the return of the child. This, by the way, can also result in a modification of custody. So, for example, if you were supposed to have the child and the other person has custody and the other person took the child to Mexico or went away or did something that violates these orders, this can be the basis for the court ordering that the custody be modified so that this won't happen again. So these are all very important things, but that's what you got to do if it happens that your ex violates the order and takes the kid.